What's going on, guys? This is Blaine back in the video. Um, I finished the build, but I don't know what the fuck is up with these temperatures, but they are absolute garbage. They're far worse than my Noctuas. I've reseeded it once, and I'm kind of upset. But I only got one intake right now because this other fan is jittering. Um, but that's what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty good, but Noctua fan's going, CPU fan going, or the cooler. Um, so this is what I'm running at. So basically, it likes to keep it 1.4 volts, which I do not like constantly. 1.48 gigahertz, and this is my adjusted BIOS a little bit. So, um, and then these are my temperatures, my oh so lovely fucking temperatures. So 55 fucking Celsius at like 10%, 15 CPU usage. When I'm playing a game, it's like I don't know, 82, 85 probably. Which, yeah, is acceptable, but I mean, I don't understand what the hell's going on here. Only thing that makes sense to me is that one intake. That one intake is all I'm working. So, I gotta get two more fans, at least. But, yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions, because I'm kind of out. And I'm kind of pissed, because I'm not getting the temperatures that most of the other people are getting with this processor and this, combination. I mean, especially with these fans that I have, they should be much better than that. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. I would really like to get this crap fixed. All right, have a good one, guys.